Hello YouTubers. So we ordered RayBan glasses in Sweden from Sinsam, and we are going to unbox them to see how they look. So here we have, let's see. So here they are, and it's basically matte black, blue gradient, gray color. New Wayfarer in size 52. And as you might have seen other YouTube videos, I mean, this has a barcode, but this is not a QR code. This is for their internal warehouse inventory stuff. Okay, let's open it. Here we have nice brown bag, and here we have received some authorized Lexotica card. We have the cloth, and here are the glasses. So these are polarized New Wayfarer glasses, and as you can see the label here, it says RayBan P polarized. Looks really good. So as you can see here, it's written RayBan made in Italy polarized, and here is the model number, New Wayfarer, and the size, and it really looks good. So we'll try it in the sun, and we'll let you know. But this is 100% original RayBan glasses, I mean, from an authorized dealer. So good, thank you. So I would like to also share the difference between an original RayBan and the fake one. So as you can see, this one is 100% original. You can see the crispness of the logo here. I mean, it's so neat. And then you have this one on the front as well. And of course you have, I don't know if you can see here, but there is an RB written in the glass here itself. And then if you will see here on the upper side, you see the material and the screw here. I mean, it's of high quality, high standard. So this is how you spot an original RayBan versus a fake one. And of course, when you will wear it in the sun, I mean, polarized RayBan is one of the best, especially in the countries where the temperature goes very high and it's so much sunlight. Thank you.